So today's topic is chance and probability. What do you mean by chance? The happening which may or may not happen is called a chance. Suppose if I'm talking about a coin, this is a coin, okay? If we throw a coin, each time the outcome of every throw can be either head or either can be a tail. It is a matter of chance that at one particular throw what we are getting. Okay, it's not compulsory that every time we are getting head or either we are getting a tail. It depends upon the chance. So let's take an example. If I'll say that sun rises from the west, is it a possible condition, impossible condition, certain to happen or not certain to happen? What will be it be? If I'll say the sun rises from the west. Yes, Swastik, unmuted. Unmuted.
Ma'am, it will be categorized in impossible category.
Yes, it will be categorized in impossible category. Why? Because sun never rises from the west. If I'll say sun rises from the east, then yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, then it will be categorized in the
Possible.
ma'am, it happens.
It can happen. Yes. Certain to happen. It will happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the conditions of chance. And if you see in your daily life, we often just generally say there is no chance of rain today, or probably tomorrow will be a sunny day, or we can say that it is quite probable that India will win the World Cup this year. So these are called the probability. Probable. So in all these statements, we are not sure about the happening of the events. There is an element of uncertainty associated with it. So probability provides a numerical measure. Actually, probability, what does probability means? It provides a numerical measure, okay, of the occurrence of the phenomena. Whatever the phenomena is going to occur, if we are playing, suppose we are playing a dice. So if 8 is coming, so it's not possible because there are only 6 phases of a dice. Okay, so it's an impossible event. So the probability will be 0 over here. If we are talking about 8, if we are talking about a coin, head or tail, how much we are getting? There are 2 phases of a coin. So either we are getting head or either we are getting a tail. So there is a probability of chance of getting only 1. So 1 by 2. In this way, we'll take out the probability. Probability means number of ways the event can happen upon total number of possible outcomes. Okay. Number of ways an event can happen upon total number of possible outcomes. This is known as probability. Probability is equal to number of ways the event can happen upon total number of possible outcomes. This is known as probability. Okay. So when we are, there are some certain events that is sure events. Sure events are called certain events also. Okay. So let's start with the exercise 3.4 now. Okay. Let's start with that. All of you take out exercise 3.4, that is based on chance and probability. Page number 76. We'll start with the exercise chance and probability, exercise 3.4. Question number 1. In this question number 1, the event is given that you are older than today. What does that mean? See, you are older than yesterday. You're older than yesterday. Arav Sharma, unmute yourself. What does this statement means? Can you tell me? You are older than yesterday. What does that statement means?
मैम दिस मीन्स मैम दैट कि हम कल से एक दिन बड़े हैं.
हाँ, कल से आप एक दिन आज बड़े हैं. That is, you are older than yesterday. So it will certain to happen. That means
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
certain to happen. ये होगा ही होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
आप जितने आप कल थे उससे एक दिन आज आप बड़े हो गए हैं. So you are older than yesterday. It will certain to happen. So you will make a table like this: event and chance. And on the event, you will be writing the events, and the chance it will happen. Okay, you will be writing that. Vansh Goyal, can you explain the second statement? A tossed coin will land heads up. What does that mean?
टॉस्ड कॉइन पे हेड्स आएगी.
When you are tossing a coin, if you are throwing a coin, is it possible that every time you are getting a heads up? Vansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible that every time you will be getting a heads up when you are tossing a coin, you
No,
are throwing a coin? No.
No,
So
ma'am.
it
Not
can
certain.
happen, but not certain. It can
Yes, ma'am.
happen, but not certain.
Certain.
Yes. So it will come in that chance that it can happen, but not certain that every time I am getting a heads up. Clear?
It can get tail like.
It can be tail also. So it can happen, but not certain. Avika, explain the third statement.
Ma'am, a die when tossed shell and up with 8 on top. Ma'am, it is not possible that because a dice is always have 6 faces, it can
Yes.
be not possible for 8.
Yes. If you see a dice, this is a dice. Okay. There are total 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Total there are only 6 faces. So we can't say there can be 8 on the top. That is an impossible event. Clear? Next is Aryan Singh. Unmute yourself, Aryan Singh.
Yes.
Explain the next statement.
The next traffic light scene will be green. Now
Yes.
it can happen, but not certain.
What does that statement means? The next traffic light scene will be green. Yes.
मतलब जो ट्रैफिक लाइट जो होती है रोड पे वो अगली जो लाइट होगी वो ग्रीन होगी, ये पक्का नहीं है. हो सकता है लेकिन पक्का नहीं है. कोई सी भी लाइट हो सकती है.
हाँ. But when you are speaking in the class, please try to speak in English. Okay. So when you are moving in a car, suppose you are going in a car and you are moving, and it is not certain that the next traffic light you will be getting green light only. It can be red, it can be orange also. So it can happen, but not certain. Clear? Next is Anant. Anant, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain the next point.
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow will be cloudy day.
Yes.
Ma'am, कल cloudy day होगा.
Yes, tomorrow can be a cloudy day. So it can happen, but not certain all the time. Can it be a cloudy day or not? It can be a cloudy day. So it can happen, but not certain. Am I clear with this question?
Certain.
If anybody is having any query, please raise your hand. In question number 1, if anybody is having any query, you can raise your hand in question number 1. Yes, Ananya, unmuted.
Mama, I'm not clear about the second one.
A tossed coin will land heads up. Means every time when you are tossing a coin, you are getting heads on the top side. In the time you are moving, suppose, just check. Listen to me. When you are suppose playing a cricket team, your cricket game. So every time, every team has to select which coin side they have to select, whether it is head or tail. If you are getting heads, that means you can. It's your choice. You will be batting or you will be bowling. Isn't it, Ananya? Unmuted.
Yes, ma'am. So,
But
ma'am, it is
never
not to confirm
possible.
that they get a head or tail.
They are getting head or tail, but it can happen, na? It can happen कि you will be getting head. It can, but it can be happen, but not certain it is. Clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhavanya, unmute yourself. Yes, you have raised your hand.
We have to also make the table at like
Yes,
this.
of
You
course.
have made up.
Of course, I have made a table in this way only. You have to do this question. Yes, Swastik, unmuted.
I'm no doubt.
Okay, you have raised your hand. That's what. Next is Anupriya. Anupriya, unmute yourself. Read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. First, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2?
So can you explain this question, Anupriya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can explain it?
Ma'am, there are 6 marbles. Total number of marbles are 6. Ma'am, and it is saying we will find the probability of drawing a marble with number 2.
Okay. See, these are some marbles. Okay. These are some marbles. There are total 6 marbles I am having in my hand. Okay. So if I'll start marking each marble as number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. If I start marking each and every marble and start giving the numbering in these marbles. So what happened? So how many times I will be getting number 2? If I have thrown these marbles, all these marbles together, and I have to pick up one marble over here. So if how many times I will be getting number 2 marble? Jayavardhan, unmuted. Jayavardhan, unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
See, if I'm throwing these all marbles and I have marked on each and every marble numbering 1 to 6. So if I want to pick number 2 marble, so how many marbles I will pick?
Ma'am, 2 marbles.
2 marbles. Number 2 marble I have to pick. How many marbles I will pick?
Ma'am, 1 marble.
1 marble only. If I want to pick number 5 marble, then how many marbles I will pick?
Ma'am, 1 only.
1 only. So in this question, this is only given that total number of marbles are 6. Okay. Total number of marbles are 6 and total number of possible outcomes are 6 only. How? Because we can pick any marble when we are throwing all these marbles. Anybody can pick any marble. There are 6 friends, they are sitting over here and we have thrown the marble and everybody has picked up one marble. So their total possible outcomes will be 6. So everybody is picking one marble. That means possible outcomes are 6 and total marbles are also 6. If I'm talking about the probability of 2, number 2. So there is only one marble which is having number 2. There is only one marble which is having number 2. So that means probability of 2 will be 1/6. Okay. Same in case of B part also. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? If I'm talking about number 5, if I'll pick up a marble and it has been numbered with 5, that means I am picking only one marble over here and total marbles which I have thrown, that is 6. Total number of marbles which I have thrown, that is 6. So number 5 is only having one marble. So 1/6 will be the probability of this question. Am I clear with this question? Any queries in question number 2? Yes, Dhamanya, unmuted. You have raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am. Ma'am, here why have you given the answer in fraction, ma'am? Ma'am, we can write one also, ma'am, because
no, we are not. We can't write. One chance you are getting, but total number of outcomes. Probability means possible outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So how many possible outcomes are there? If I'm picking number 2, so only one number 2 is there, and total number of marbles are 6. So 1 upon 6.
Ma'am, if you have written the number 2 on the 2 marbles, so you will write 2 upon 6 in
No. First part. How many times? See, if I'm throwing this 6 marbles, there is a box in which I have kept all these marbles, and on each and every marble, I have numbered those marbles. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay? If I'll pick number 2 marble, so there will be only one marble which is with number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why it is 1 upon 6.
Okay, ma'am.
If I want to pick up number 5, so that means there is only one marble which is numbered with 5. That is 1 upon 6. So one marble is having. That is possible outcome is only 1. And total number of outcomes are 6. Clear? Yes, Avika unmuted.
Ma'am, if we are throwing the number 2 marble 5 times, so what will be the probability?
It depends upon the question. Here we are throwing it once, so we are getting 1 by 6. If we are throwing 5 times, and it's not compulsory that every time we are choosing number 2 only, it can be another number also.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, if we in the question it was written that we are choosing the number 2 and we are throwing it
5 times or 4 times, so it will be 4 by 6. Yes, 4 by 6. Yes. See, if we are throwing a marble or anything, so it depends upon the possible outcomes, how much we are getting it. Okay? I'll give you one more example for this after this question. Okay? Next is Vivek Agarwal. Read the next question. Vivek unmuted. Vivek unmuted. Yes. Read the next question.
No, voice is not coming.
Read the next question. Third question. Anadi, read the next question. Unmuted. Anadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next question.
A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start?
Yes, you have seen a cricket match. Everybody has seen, I think so,
yes.
Cricket match. See, when the team has to decide whether they will be batting or bowling, okay, they have to flip a coin over there. Umpire will flip a coin. Then the team will decide whether you want heads or you want tails. Isn't it? Yes or no? Anadi, I'm talking to you. Unmute yourself and answer my question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have seen the cricket match, na? The umpire will flip a coin and decide which team will take head and which team will, one team will take head and one team will take tail. So there are two faces of a coin. If I'm talking about a coin, there are two faces. One is head and one is tail.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are two faces of a coin. One is head. Head means H and tail means T. When a coin is tossed, either you are getting a head or you are getting a tail. One thing you will be get now.
Yes, ma'am.
Either head or tail.
Yes.
So total successful outcomes will be only how much? How many successful outcomes you will be getting?
Ma'am, 1.
You are tossing a coin, 1. And total number of outcomes will be?
2.
2, because coins have 2 faces.
Yes, ma'am.
So it can be head or it can be tail. But when you
Yes,
flip a
ma'am.
coin, when you throw a coin, what happened? Either you are getting a head or either you are getting a tail. So successfully outcome will be 1. And total number of outcomes will be 2. So the probability will become 1 upon 2.
2.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, you are going to do this question.
Okay, ma'am.